so we're on Koh Kood for sunset on Klong Chao Beach. You have a look at that. Top of the road. Look at that. Yeah, so this is a little island just next to Koh Mak and Koh Chang. You can get a bus on the boat direct from Bangkok or from Koh Chang. And we'll have a little walk down now. So yeah, Klong Chao Beach, amazing little place. We walked down to a place called High Season, which is where you get the bending palm trees, which you see in all the photos, the pictures when you look up Koh Kood. But if you're looking for a perfect sunset, here we are. So yeah, this is High Season Resort, and got to see the tree house and the palm trees. See there, look. Palm trees. Have a look at the sunset, guys. Amazing. So yeah, you got the tree house up there. Palm trees there. I mean, look at this view. Look what they're looking at. Perfection, you know? Yeah, I've got to say it is probably one of the best places I've been to. I mean, I'm only here for 7 nights, but I'm very, very impressed so far. I mean, it's good place for family and kids. I mean, if you're here to party, then obviously go to Koh Kood and them sort of islands. But yeah, I mean, there's no 7-Elevens, but there's a lot. There's ATMs, there's shops. Look at this, man. I'm still gassed. The famous twin coconut palm trees. Look at these. Sunset. Look at that for sunset. We'll walk to the end of the beach. There's Peter Pan Resort and a couple others. I'll show you them too. So we're in luck with the sunset tonight. I mean, look at that. Beautiful, guys. So I'll just take you to the end. There's a couple other resorts, basically. I mean, look how many people there are. It's amazing. I don't know if you can see how good that sunset is, but it's just perfect. We're out on the bottom of the sea, look. So yeah, again, the nightlife in Klong Chao is pretty basic. I mean, you can go out for nice food and stuff like that, but there'll be no beach parties, no raves or anything like that. So sort of after sunset, everyone goes out for food, has a nice dinner, and you've got live music and stuff, and sort of finishing around 9:30, 10. Look how many people are taking these perfect pictures of the sunset. I mean, we haven't had it lucky. The last few days it's been cloudy, so yeah, finally getting a perfect picture today. So we've got these resorts here as well, which we've got Peter Pan Resort, and there's a couple others as well. So someone's got their drone out there. And again, a few little bars, restaurants. That one's Peter Pan Resort. Bungalows. That's a really nice one as well. People playing volleyball. I'm sure if you want to play, you just ask to jump in. Again, you can rent out the kayaks if you are staying at any of these resorts I've mentioned. Usually you get the kayaks free. and you can just kayak to here to, well, anywhere you want. But like I say, on the one up north it's more quieter and you've got more stuff to do with the kayak, I think personally. But you'll have to watch that video to understand what I'm on about. A bit of beach football. Look at that. Oh. Oi. And yeah, I'm not going to walk all the way down to the end because so that sort of leads on to Thailand Beach, which is like a little sandbank, and you have sunset bar, you have places you can smoke, chill, drink, eat food and watch the sunset from there. And that's it, guys. So yeah, I'm going to walk back to high season, going to get myself a cocktail 2 for 1, and that's it. Please like, follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers. And this is Peter Pan Resort, which is right next to high season. Cheers, guys.